font. This font's not nice. Okay, so what we do is there's a font I use called there we go, Balota, yeah, so you say, I think. You download it by typing in Balota, okay, and then you can find any font you want to use on Google. And then here you can just you can preview them if you want to, like what each font is going to look like. So see it in bold if you want to. Okay, so we'll download OTF. Yeah, just save it. So it saves as a zip folder. I'll click on that, extract it. Oh, it's extracted to the backgrounds folder. I didn't think it would do that. So I'll go back to here. So this is in the backgrounds folder now. It shouldn't be, but what we'll do is inside the assets folder, we'll create a new folder called fonts. So it's inside assets, fonts, and we'll take all these and just put them into the fonts folder. Okay, and we can get rid of these three from the backgrounds folder, so it shouldn't be there. Okay, so they're now in the fonts folder, and what we do, go back to our CSS, scroll up to the top. We have to create a font face right now. So go up to the very top, at font hyphen face, and we say font family. We give it a name. So it's a Balota light italic and semicolon. src, which is source. URL. Inside the brackets of URL, we give it the path to that font folder. Okay, so we're in the CSS folder, so you have to go up one level. So // then into the fonts folder, and then Balota light italic .otf, which is an extension of the font. Okay, and we'll copy that again, and we'll do the same thing, but instead of light italic, we'll have bold italic. So change this to bold italic too. So Balota bold italic. So there are font faces. It knows about those fonts now. Now we can use them. We'll say login box. We'll use font family. The name of the font. We'll say light italic, and then sans serif, which is the backup font it uses if you can't find it, I think. So we'll copy that, go into login header, paste it, and we'll leave that as light italic. But in H1, we'll copy that, but we'll change this to the bold italic one. So these are names it's using to reference them. Okay, save that, and now if we refresh the page, it should look a little bit nicer. Ta-da! We'll make it look even better. In this H1 styling tag, we'll say underneath color, text shadow. Text shadow. And I don't know what to do for this. We'll just say 000 for now, which is black. We'll change that 0.5 px, 0.5 pixels, and 0 px. You'll see what these do in a minute. So this will be black at the moment. It won't look that good. Okay, so it's got a little shadow behind it. Let's go click on that. Inspect element. We can adjust this as we want. So I can show you what these do. Just pressing up or down arrows, you can see what it's doing. So you can change how far out it is, what the offset is. So ours was 0.5. I think we'll leave it at 0.5. This one was also 0.5. This is up or down. So 0.5, we'll leave that. And this will be the intensity of it. So we'll just leave that at 0. And we'll change the color though. Let's go something with bluish. Like that. No. What did I use here? Oh, I used the lighter one. Let me see. I'll get the exact color. So I used this one. So I'll copy that, and I'll use that instead. I think that's like yeah, it's like a white color-ish. There you go. It's got a little shine to it now. Okay, so that looks nice, right? I want to make this text a little bit bigger. What I'll do, H1's the largest, so I can't take it up anymore. I'll say font size 250%. Okay, and I'll refresh the page now. And see, that's a little bit bigger. That looks a little bit nicer. Another thing we should do is probably go up to the top and we'll say HTML and body. When you put a comma between two, it targets all the HTML stuff and all the body stuff. Okay, HTML is this whole thing. So say height 100% and min height 100%. I think I remember putting this in there, this line for Firefox browsers. It was slightly different. Because that's the thing, if you view this stuff in any different browsers, it's probably going to look slightly different than it does now. So you have to keep playing around with it and trying to get it to work for everything.